Hi guys, we are back. Today I want to explain you how a hot air fryer, electric fryer works. As you see, we have a hot air fryer here, the tray, and as you see inside, there's a heater and there's a fan behind it that push the hot air to the surface of the food for fry it. Okay guys, as you see we have a control board here. This is the shaded pole motor for electric fan. These two are thermal fuses that there are in the line of the live and neutral wire, and if the temperature goes high, these two fuses are cut off and preventing melting everything together. And if you want to troubleshooting something like this, it's better to start from these two temperature fuse or thermal fuse. Okay, these two lead are for the heater. You can check the resistance of the heater for ensuring that the heater is right. And this is the lamp for lighting the casing for frying. This is the, as you see, this one. This is the temperature sensor for control board that come here on control board. And this is the main relay for switching the heater on and off. And this flat cable come to the front panel for, as you see, setting the time, setting the temperature, LEDs, and all the functions that the fryer have. Okay guys, that's for today. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Bye for now.